Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of DOYcreations Designs. I'm coming to you all today with an unboxing from DOYcreations. Jeanette. For those of you who do not know this beautiful queen, Jeanette is a crocheter. She's a jewelry maker. And I purchased a pair of earrings. She was having an amazing sale, and I jumped in and got me some earrings. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So of course it came in an envelope, and this is my first time opening this. Something going on with my scissors, they feel stuck. So I'm gonna cut this open. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh. Jeanette. Wow. Okay, y'all. So I got some goodies in here other than what I. Oh, Jeanette, bless your soul. Oh, wow. All right, y'all. So I have a card, says thank you, and she gifted me because she know how much I like to wrap and do wire ideas. Wow, y'all, this is amazing. So let me open up the card. Wow. You're a blessing. Hi, Joyce. Thank you for your love and support. I appreciate you so very much. Made with love. DOYcreations, Jeanette. This was really awesome. Wow. So let me show y'all my earrings that I purchased. And I'm gonna show y'all my extra gifts that she put inside of the bag. Wow, so these are my earrings that I ordered. I'm gonna take them out and show y'all what they look like. They're cute. They're cute. Look at my earrings. Aren't they gorgeous? Yes. So I'm gonna try them on so y'all can see what they look like. I really like how she has them on these cards. Look at this card. This is awesome. Love it, y'all. Love it. So let me try them on so y'all can see what they look like. They're small and dainty. Small and dainty. Look at that. Yes, look at that. Thank you so much, Jeanette. I greatly appreciate it. Wow, awesome. I'm speechless right now. Like, I'm over the moon, speechless. Like, yeah. So, I'm going to show y'all this wire she got me. This is sterling silver-plated rose gold copper. And she gave me 2 packs of this. Thank you, Jeanette. 2 packs. And she also gifted me this. It says permanently colored copper wire. And it's 20 gauge. So both of these are, all 3 of these are 20 gauge. She know that I do a lot of wire wrapping techniques here on my channel. Wow, thank you so much, Jeanette. I can't say enough. I'm going to leave Jeanette's information down in the description box. Y'all go over. She just started her Black Friday sale. Go and check out her crochet. She's phenomenal with the crochet. She does jewelry. She does inspirational videos. She is well-rounded in her gifts and her talents that the Father has given her, okay? So if you don't know who she is, go check her out. Subscribe to her channel and learn some things. She has over 1,000 videos. She does crochet tutorials. She goes in depth. She does a live every Sunday. She does her live. And yeah, y'all, go and check out that queen. Jeanette is amazing. She is amazing, okay? So with that being said, thank you so much, Jeanette. I greatly, greatly appreciate your support. We've been following each other here on YouTube for a number of years. And so with that being said, thank you so very much, Jeanette. I greatly appreciate your support. I am glad that you decided to walk in your greatness, and I am so glad that I am a part of your journey to see you do what you do. So, y'all, please make sure that you thumbs up this video so that this video can go into rotation for other people to view. And I want to say thank y'all so much for watching, and until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.